Hi, everyone, and welcome to this special section where we are going to talk about something that every AutoCAD user, whether beginner or advanced, need to be aware of. And this is common mistakes in 2D drafting. Especially in architectural design, the way you draw can have a huge impact on the clarity, accuracy, and efficiency of your project. In this lesson, or it's better to say in this section, I'll walk you through some of the most common mistakes people make when drafting in AutoCAD and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Let's get started. One of the first things I see with beginners is that they draw absolutely everything on layer 0. That might not seem like a big deal when you are starting out, but trust me, it's a huge problem in professional workflows. Layer 0 is a default layer in AutoCAD. When you draw everything on this layer, you lose the ability to organize your drawing properly. For example, you can't easily isolate your walls, furniture, text, dimensions, or hatch patterns. You also lose control over printing settings, such as color or, for example, line weight. In architectural drafting, organization is key. You should always create separate layers for different categories of elements. For instance, for walls, layer name could be, for example, A-wall. For furniture, layer name could be A-fern. Doors and windows, just like that, A-door, A-wind. Dimension, A-dimes. For text, A-text. Each of these layers should have a unique color and possibly a different line type. This not only helps visually, but also makes it much easier to set up your plot style when printing. Let me show you how to create layers using the Layer Properties Manager and assign elements to the correct layer and lock and freeze layers that you are not working on. As you see, I can create different layers in Layer Properties Manager, and I can assign different properties for each layer, color, line type, and other options. Now I can assign, elements, for example, walls, furniture, and other things to the correct layer. As you see, I select each of them and change their layer. Now, for example, I can lock my wall layer, or I can freeze them, when I don't want to work on them, or I can hide them. In the case that I don't want to see them, but I want to keep them, for example, I can hide, turn off the text layer, and when I need them, I can turn them on.